Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to bypass I'm Not a Robot Captcha on Omegle. So let's begin. So here we are in Google Chrome, and from here what we're going to do first is that we are going to download a VPN. So for this example, we're going to go for Chrome Web Store. And from here we're going to go for Holo VPN right here. It's an unblocker. Holo right here. And we would want this one right here, the best website unblocker. And from here, we want to add it to Chrome and add extension. And from here, it would be right here, just like that. And let's wait for it to be added. And it's now adding to Chrome. All we have to do is wait. Now it's done. Now we have Hola right here in our extensions. And now we want to pin this right there. And now we want to go here into Hola. Click here. And from here, we're going to go click here on Omegle. And click Omegle right here. And now turn it on. Click Omegle again. Make sure it's turned on right there. So now that it's turned on, we want to go to omegle.com. And from here, we want to go here. So like interest, let's just go for text right here immediately. And from here, let's just go check this right there and confirm to continue. Right there, and as you can see, there is no captcha right here. Or we could go also for video. Let's go for video. Let's go again. Hola, Omegle, and wait for it. And click on video. And check this right here and confirm and continue. Allow. And as you can see, there is no captcha right here. And that is basically how you do it. But take note that this is not a premium version. So that would mean that this would expire in like there is an upgraded version right here, and there is only a free trial. I think it's only 3 hours that you can use this, so you might want to upgrade this if you'd want to avail this feature in a long term, or you could just find another VPN or website unblocker that would do the same thing for you with a longer free trial duration. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.